What is happening, guys? It's the month of March and it's Manny and Lola box day. So our first item today, it's like a nude sort of pink china glaze, and she's called It's a Match. It does like very nude. Next in the box we have really gorgeous light blue Zoya. I really like that. And this is called Lillian. Next item in the box is a bit messy today. Oh, that's kind of nice. It's an OPI, really light shady pink, and it's 7 Wonders of OPI. It's quite strange, it's not a pink that I've actually got, and I think I've got most of the pinks, so it's more of a purpley pink. More pink and purple, but yeah, you get what I mean. Next item in the box is... after this. Ooh, well, there's a game changer here. It is Barry M Peel Off Basecoat. Peel it! And that's numbered there if you want it. That's quite interesting. I just had a conversation with myself about I should try all of these with the peel off base coat. And there's a peel off base coat. Unfortunately, I've got more PI on, as I always do it for this test. Anyway, moving on. I think this is the last item yet. Last but not least, I have absolutely no clue what this is. Can you even see it? Cuccio Pro 100% sanitizable stainless steel nail file intro kit. Okay, it gets slightly better. Stainless steel, I don't know. No, it's still great. Oh, it's still just great. Oh, just a bit ruined my nails. Right, we'll open it up and have a little look at it. But again, I can't see me using it. Let's get you zoomed in and straight to nails. So to start off with, we're going to use China Glaze It's a Match. This is from the China Glaze Nudes Spring 2017 collection. So as you can see, the brush is really thin, which makes it a bit harder to get on my nail. I don't know why it's separating down that crease either. So I think I probably could have done 3 coats on that, as if you look closely it's still a bit streaky. Maybe not so nude for me. I've had ones that pretty much make my nail disappear, so I probably would use this one again. The problem I have with this is that the brush either picks up a load of polish, or sometimes it'll just pick up no polish at all. You know, when you spread that out, it doesn't look like a lot of polish. But then sometimes it's picking up that much it's glooping back into the bottle. Moving on, we've got OPI, 7 Wonders of OPI from the Peru 2018 collection. They have named this a pastel mauve shade. I think that's what I was trying to get at earlier with the pinky purpley, pinky purple, purple, pinky. Yeah. Oh, I spelled. Right, I think I'll leave it at 2 coats, because even though it looks like it could do with another coat, I've only done another one 2 coats, so it's only fair. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . So again, I would probably say that that needs another coat. As for the colour, it's really nice. It'll be really nice pastel for the summer, and it'll do for like flower nail art and stuff, so happy with that. Next up we have Zoya Lillian. Very, very, very sheer. Sitta in my cuticle, no. It's a really nice colour, but this is, I'm not even going to play this time. This one definitely is going to need 3 coats. You can quite clearly tell the difference between each side, even on camera there. There we go. Bright blue and 3 coats. That's a pretty insane shade, I will say that. Can see it being used for a lot of sea nail arts and stuff, but I think it would look too icy if you put that on every nail. Yeah, I like it. It's like an aqua colour. Perfect for doing a sea manicure nail art or something. Next up is the Barry M Peel Off Base Coat Peel It. Applicator is very thick. So as you've seen, it just done my nail in one go there. First impressions, it looks like glue. Like PVA glue. Some companies do that, they do PVA glue and call it a peel off base coat, but it does not stay on your nail. It seems to have went over the top of it, fine. But what I will have to do is let this dry, at least for a couple of hours, and then I'll come back and see how it peels off. Last but not least, I can't fit you on the screen, we have Cuccio Pro 100% sanitizable stainless steel nail file intro kit. I have no clue. So there's a bit of metal there, but then there's also 3 different types of grit, which are just basically sandpaper. What is this? Ah, right, that explains it a bit better, does it not? Basically, I'm guessing the sandpaper is sticky, you apply that to the metal bit, and then you've got a file. And you just take the stickiness off and then use another one. That's why they give you 2 each. This is handbag size, you know? This, not so much. I was going to check it out of the package and show you all, but to be honest, I'm not gonna. You see what it does on the back, you stick these bits onto that bit and there you go. You know, I don't see the point in ruining the packaging. I'll give it away to somebody that does use that sandpaper nail file. As for me, not a product for me. My thoughts on this month's box. China Glaze, it's a match. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Maybe not as nude as I expected. The brush was really small on it though. Moving on, we have the OPI 7 Wonders of OPI. It's OPI, I love OPI. The shade, again, very muted pastel type thing. And it actually comes off more sort of purple on your nail than it looks on the bottle. Number 3 is Zoya Lillian. Don't know if I've said that correct all the way through the thing, but let's move on. It's an absolutely gorgeous aqua colour and it goes on quite good, although it did need the 3 coats, but I mean, come on, it's as pastel as you can get, so that's understandable. And last but not least is the peel off base coat. I'll have to come back to you in a couple of hours to see how that went, because it needs to properly harden before I try and pick it off. Oh, and I almost forgot the stainless steel nail file. Not my preferred product, but there will be people out there that like it. That's it for this month's box, and thanks all for watching. It's been a couple of days since I've put this on now. I wanted to see how long it would last, and it seems to have lasted quite well. So we're going to try and pick it off and see how well it comes off. So using my Nail Medic Rejuvenator, I'm going to soak my cuticle, and then I'm just going to take a toothpick and try and run it around the edges and see if it'll lift. You don't want to push too hard here. Doesn't seem to want to budge. It'll budge at this side. Oh, I'm under. So it's stiffer at the bottom, but that's because you don't put it to the tip of your nail. Oh. Well, there you go. It's a full peel. Oh. I didn't expect that, to be honest. I mean, there is a slight residue on my nail, so I will still have to take a nail varnish remover to it, but of course it's a lot less than what you would have to do. And if that was glitter nail polish, that would be amazing. It would just pop off, no bother. So I'm quite happy with that. I'll definitely try it with glitter nail polish to see how it comes off. Again, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you all on the next one.